Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Indian Oil Market Outlook to 2030 report. Recently, the International Energy Agency released a report titled Indian Oil Market Outlook to 2030 during the Second India Energy Week 2024. The report looks in depth at how India's role in the global oil market may evolve over the period through to 2030. It examines investment plans for the refining and petrochemical industry and how these developments may impact Indian crude and product net trade. Let us now discuss key points of the report. Projected to be the primary contributor to global oil demand growth until 2030, India's demand is fueled by robust economic, population, and demographic growth. India is anticipated to see a nearly 1.2 million barrels per day increase in oil demand, representing over a third of the global 3.2 million barrels per day growth, achieving 6.6 million barrels per day by 2030. Diesel gas oil is expected to be the main contributor to this demand surge, making up almost half of the nation's demand increase and over a sixth of the global total through 2030. Demand for jet kerosene is set to rise significantly at an average annual rate of 5.9%, albeit from a smaller base compared to other countries. Gasoline demand is expected to grow by 0.7% on average, with the electrification of India's vehicle fleet tempering potential increases. Growth in LPG demand is also anticipated, driven by petrochemical industry investments and the government's successful clean cooking programs, which have already tripled LPG imports over the past decade. To accommodate the growing domestic oil demand, Indian oil companies are significantly investing in refining capacity, with plans to add 1 million barrels per day of new refinery distillation capacity over the next 7 years, a figure surpassed only by China. The report also highlights the role of new electric vehicles and energy efficiency improvements in reducing potential oil demand by 480,000 barrels per day between 2023 and 2030. Furthermore, biofuels are poised to significantly contribute to the decarbonization of India's transport sector, with the country's ethanol blending rate among the highest globally and an accelerated target to double the blending rate to 20% by the fourth quarter of 2026. Now is the time to test your knowledge. The question is, the India Energy Week 2024 is taking place in which state or UT? Goa, Gujarat, Delhi or Assam? Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.